Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In this particular video, I'm going to show you my sketchbook of the Caribbean. The story is around 2 years ago when I told my best friend Sylvia that I'm retiring, and she asked me, what would you be doing? And I said that I don't know, maybe some traveling and maybe going on cruises. So she sent me a sketchbook, and this is the little sketchbook that she sent me. And I believe, like I kind of owe it to her to finish sketching uh, all my cruises in the sketchbook and share it with her. So this is a special video for Sylvia, but I think you may want to see this too. So this is the little sketchbook. So let's see what I have done. So this is the little sketchbook. Is pretty small, but then we'll see what we'll do. Okay. What I did is I believe that this sketchbook is so small that it would be, very easy to bring it along. So I bought it to the Caribbean. And as I say, it's 2 years ago. So in the last 2 years, I have been to four different cruises with the Caribbean. And I think I kind of cover all of it. So you can tell that, like in the Caribbean, of course, this is not a to scale map, but technically, we are leaving from Florida Port Canaveral. And then when you go on Caribbean cruises, we have the Western Caribbean, which cover, for example, Cozumel, like this area. And then we have the Southern Caribbean, which have cover maybe like the ABC Islands. And then we have the Eastern Caribbean, which covers the St. Thomas, St. Martin's. And of course, like we also have, from Port Canaveral, also go to Bermuda. So the Western, Southern, Eastern, and Bermuda would be kind of like the four corners. And those are the four cruises that this sketchbook cover is the Caribbean and also the Bermuda. So East, West, South, and the Bermuda will make up this particular sketchbook, right? So usually when I start the sketch, before I um, do the actual sketching, I will actually name the cruise so I can remember when I did it and things like that. And as I say, this was actually a cruise that I took in September of 2022, and it's the Eastern Caribbean. So we are going from Port Canaveral and go to the like Charlotte, Phillipsburg, Coco Cay, and then back. So this is a like a 7 night cruise. So let's see what I did. And I usually also write down the itinerary so we can have an idea of where the locations are. And because we have so many sea days, so not everything is of the scenery of the excursion, but some of them could be on board, such as this is the first thing on board, lunch. So this is the lunch table. And then this is the shopping show. So this is unsuspecting guesses. And this is again shopping show to ask you to buy more. And this is the ice skating. And then waiting for the tour. And this is my husband, David. And this is actually, off board because these are all on board. And then you have a pretty nice palm tree. We are probably waiting for the coach. And this is St. Maarten. Beautiful scenery. Again, St. Maarten. And this is, they have a airport they call Princess Juliana Airport. And it's actually by the bridge. So these are kind of direction sign to go to the airport, and the bridge is right there. So I find it very interesting. This is Phillipsburg, by the way. And then we went to the cheese shop, and there are individuals that are waiting, in the shade, so I drew them, obviously. And this is St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Island. These are some of the room attendant waiting because guess what they're doing in all cruise ships, or at least in all Caribbean cruise ships, Royal Caribbean cruise ships, they have napkin folding. This is like actually a cart full of new napkins, and these are room attendants that are waiting for the event. And of course, this is actually the napkin folding event. And more napkin folding, and some of the guests are sitting on the stairs to watch. And another gentleman watching. Right. So that's the cruise of the Eastern Caribbean. And then the next one was the following year in February 2023. And this is Jewel of the Sea. It's an Ignite Southern. So the Southern one, we are going to what they call the ABC Island, because there are 3 different towns that we are going to right here. And then they start with letter A, B, and C. So it's usually, in short, we call them the ABC Island. It's right there, ABC Island. All right. So this is also, waiting to get on board the ship. And this lady has some very interesting hairstyle, so I drew her. And then waiting at the Port Canaveral, waiting to board the ship. Of course, you recognize this is David. And this is the ship, right? And these are, like some guests, congregating in the lobby. I was, on maybe like 1 or 2 flight up, and I was sketching them. And then they do have movies. So, we were watching some movies. There are individuals, like waiting for, some performance in the main lobby. And this is the salsa instructor. And then this is, like a performance called City of Dreams, and we are waiting for the curtains to raise. And then they have a kind of like the top tier event, and they have live band. Another wheel of the live band. And then this one is in one of the islands, and this is their flag. This is blue and red with 2 star is for peace. For the sky is blue, white is for peace, and blue is the sea. Okay. This is Aruba. Aruba has a very beautiful pier. The pier again, the pier is in this tank and red brick, and then the sea is blue, so it's quite striking on colors. Yeah, David at the schooner bar. Okay, there's a double. Yeah. There is another cruise ship. It's called Free Winds that park kind of next to us. So I drew it from our deck, watching them. So it's Free Winds next to Jewel of the Sea because I'm on Jewel of the Sea. Okay, this is a couple at the schooner bar. And these are kids waiting to see the napkin folding. As I say, napkin folding is kind of like a must-see event on a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. Other kid with his toy dinosaur. And there are also couples sitting on different decks, watching the event. And then dance watcher, because sometimes they have some dance demo. And then there are individuals who just like to sit there and watch. More watchers. And that's my ABC Island cruise, right? So we have another one. This is the Marina of the Sea, and this is to Bermuda. And this is from the 13th to the 21st in 2023. And we go from Orlando or Cape Canaveral. We went to Bermuda at King's Wharf, and then went back to the Bahamas, Coco Cay, and then back. So it's a relatively short cruise. Again, there you go. Shopping talk. More shopping talk, but then of course, most people are not interested. They're just watching, playing with their cell phone. And of course, this is diamond tops. Buy more. Okay, they have something they call 80 parties, and then there are individuals who sit outside and just kind of like watch it from there, from the balcony. And there are people who are watching um again. And then this is the Anchors Cup, front seaters. And they have all this because those are probably people who have earned, extra number of points. The musicians, more musicians. And then we have napkin folding. And then people watching the napkin folding. And then these are actually two kids playing at the deck in Bermuda. And of course, unsuspecting, so I drew them. And we were waiting I think we are waiting to catch a ferry. And this is a kind of like a restaurant called Bono Fish Bar. Yeah. And striking red color brick building on the back. This is the fish bar. And I think if you have been there, you'll probably recognize where I catch this is where we buy the ticket for the ferry. So waiting for the bus. And we went to the Fantasy Cave in Bermuda. And this is kind of like an area that we're waiting for the last cruise to come out. So we can go in. And by the way, they have chicks. They have rooster and hen, like rolling around the field. Okay. This is at the pier, and they do have various ships that you can go in, and they have bars, and there are multiple flags on top. This is the Royal Navy um, dock. So they are built. They used to be the shipyard, but then now they have shops there, and I think I drew it on the deck. Yeah, there's also a watch from the deck, and there's a really rusty boat. Okay, this is also waiting for the Animal Tower demo. And another child waiting for the Animal Tower demo. More child waiting. There's a couple waiting for the dance. Waiting for the dance. This is in Nassau, Bahamas, waiting for another tour. See, I mean, I drew a lot of waiting because, that's when people are stationary and I have, ample time. Parking lot at the rum factory. Okay, this is ice under the big top. This is kind of like also waiting for a show here. And more people, like waiting, watching, look on the phone. Okay, so that is the Bermuda tour. And last but not least is the Western Caribbean. It's only 5 nights. So what we did is we went from Port Canaveral, go to Cozumel, and then Costa Maya, and then come back. All right. So it's a relatively short cruise as well. Okay, we are at the guest room. This is me because you can see my hand painting, and this is probably my husband's feet. In this particular cruise, our stateroom is actually inward looking and looking in the kind of like the interior deck. So from my state window, I can actually see kind of like the cafe promenade, and then the view from my stateroom, I can clearly see the coffee station. So I actually took multiple reference photos and also pictures of the banister. And then this is also from my stateroom of unsuspecting people, like whatever they're doing in the promenade. So this is the soda machine. This one is also the top tier party with live musicians. And then the sound control. I like the reflection. And this is, of course, like asking you to buy more diamonds. This is also from my guest room. I can see a lot of people um, unsuspecting, observing them. And this is outside the cafe. So these are guests outside the cafe, like drinking cafe, people watching. But then, of course, they are watching people. I'm watching them. This is the 89 dance party. And, like they are watching, but they have no interest to join. So you can tell from their facial expression, they are just, watching people dancing the 80s party. Interesting facial expressions. And in the 80s parties, they have a bridge that is kind of for the performers, and they have Pac-Man come out. It's kind of cute. This is the mask at the schooner bar. I think the schooner bar also have various like games or trivia. And when we're waiting for it, and like I was doing this. And of course, when the things come out, I'll be throwing the napkin or playing the trivial questions. But before that, it is the schooner bar. Okay. This is also David waiting for the for another cruise in Cozumel. All right. Oh, this is the archaeological site in Cozumel. And this is kind of protecting the artifact underneath this because they are outdoor. You don't want the rain and the sun to damage it, but then it's not really completely indoor. It's open air, and they have some unique flower in Cozumel, and it's very interesting because they have lots of thorns. Let's see, what is this double pager? Oh, okay. So this is actually the end of this sketchbook, because on here I actually has been using this for some other ideas and things like this unrelated to the cruise. So these four cruises, Eastern, Southern, Bermuda, and Western, is the sketchbook of the Royal Caribbean. I hope you enjoy my little sketchbook from my friend Sylvia on the Royal Caribbean cruise. This is a really small sketchbook, very easy to carry. I hope it will motivate you to bring your sketchbook on your travel, and you can sketch anything that you want. It could be a scenery, it could be just unsuspecting people, or even flowers and pets that you see along the way. And I hope you have a fun time sketching and improving your composition, sketching, observations, and general skill in art. So enjoy the sketchbook and also, keep sketching. Thank you. Bye bye.